The two companies hoping to run Hinchingbrooke Hospital in Huntingdon have been told to put in formal bids. It's another milestone in the process to find a company to run the hospital. Stuart Ratcliffe has sent this report.
Despite having a debt totalling nearly £40 million, two companies are now competing to control the country's first NHS hospital to be managed by the private sector. So who are the companies? First up is Serco, which says it has 50 years of experience managing public services. It's co-managed pathology services at the Guy's and St Thomas's Hospital, but it believes its trump card is the fact it intends to run Hinchingbrooke with Peterborough and Stamford NHS Trust.
We're bringing all of their NHS capability plus our 50 years of experience bringing change to bear in public service delivery. And together, I think that's the sort of expertise which can help Hinchingbrooke to deliver sustainable, high-quality health services for local people.
The other contender is Circle. It says it's an employee-owned partnership. It manages an outpatient department in Nottingham, where it claims to have increased productivity and satisfaction rates. But its key pitch is putting control back in the hands of clinicians.
The people of Huntingdon can trust the local professionals to deliver their services. Remember, Circle is owned by everybody who works for it. It's not about privatisation, it's about trusting the professionals.
But in Huntingdon, though, there are real fears that a private company may mean the closure or reduction in A&E and maternity services. When asked if they could reassure the public on this key question, here was Circle's answer.
I can. I think that clearly we may need to look at slightly different models of care, but in terms of maternity and A&E, that is absolutely the intention.
And this was Circo's response.
What we're talking about is designing a set of services which are going to be sustainable for the future. And what we're working through the process in this bidding process is making sure that what we can offer for the local people is a really sustainable set of services.
And the Strategic Health Authority says it's confident private management will provide a better service for patients.
And this is all about a sustainable NHS service for NHS patients. And the whole structure is around that focus. And the two shortlisted bidders we have now have expressed that very clearly in the submissions they've made.
Both companies now have until the 18th of October to formally submit their bids. The winning company will then be told in November, and then that company will take over the running of this hospital in June of next year. Stuart Ratcliffe, BBC Look East at Hinchingbrooke Hospital.